Good morning, Kadok Creeks! Okay, nandito tayo sa Tienmu Pagoda. Ito daw ang oldest pagoda. Tabi siya ng Han River. Han River pa rin ba to? Ayan. So after namin dito sa pagoda, magbo-boat ride kami going there. So medyo nakisama yung panahon, medyo mainit, which is okay kaysa sa maulan. Ayan, ikot ko kayo. So marami silang mini pagodas dito. Ayan, may turtle doon. Ayan, may tortoise. May tortoise dyan. Ganito. Ayan, taas ho niya. May fish bell din. Over there. Ayan. May malaking bell. Ayan. Ito, mga manuscript. Ayan. Still engraved with a poem. Tienmu Chungta, the sound of bell of Tienmu Pagoda. We are at Tienmu Pagoda. And after this, for our second break, okay, this is the river. I think this is Han River too, the main river here in Vietnam. Then we will ride the tourist boat. Okay, see you later. Ito po kami sasakay. Yan, magla-lunch po kami. Hello, where are we going? Where are you going? Where are we going? No, going to where? Oh, they have here. Ayan, mga kasama namin. We'll take a boat ride over there. See you later po. Biyahe na kami. Ayan. Magla-lunch kami somewhere. So guys, this will be our 30-minute ride. Yeah. Po, death march po kami papunta sa aming kakainan. Doon po kami galing. Okay, masaya po to. Santa. So, dito po, kakain po kami rito. Nahang. Wow, garden resto. Kita niyo yung bonsai. Ayan. So maganda po to, parang kubul-kubul. Ayan. Ayun, kasama namin. Ang ganda na po. Anti-aircon.